okay, come and sit down, okay? Okay, so today this is we're going to talk about this consecutive duplicate. So can you read this? The given string consisting of x and y is the minimum number of characters, such as there's no consecutive x and no consecutive y. Okay. So look at this example, like y, x, y, x, x. So basically, look at the screen. Basically, we want to remove the duplicate one, and we only keep one in each group, right? Yeah. Yeah. Make sense? Yeah. So how about if I give you another example like x, y. Can you tell me what should the output be? What's the output for this one?
Y, x, y, x.
X, y. X, y, yes. And how about another one? Eric, you get it, okay? Y, x, x.
Y, x.
Can you say one for Eric, please? Okay.
Because I'm lousy.
Okay, how about y, and x?
Y, x.
Okay, y, x. Okay. Okay. That's it. So what? One solution. Can you think of any solutions? Like how can we implement this? How can we do this? So look. Yeah. Look. There are only two characters. Yeah. X and y. Yeah. Yeah. So we can replace x to y, x to x, and y to yeah. We can replace x to what? To what? To x. Yeah. And y to what? Yeah, y to y. Yeah. Okay.
Question.
Yeah, question please.
Answer. No.
Okay, let's try it. Look. So we can do this. Why something happening?
Okay.
Y x in x, then we do this. S equal s dot replace. Yeah. We want to replace x with what? With what? With x, yeah? Correct? Can you read it? Can you look at the code? Look. Yeah? And then same for y in x. S equal s dot replace what? Can you guess? Replace two parameters, the old string and the new string. So old string will be
X.
when we found the y in x, so we want to replace two y with a single what?
X and Y.
No?
Y.
Yes. So replace two y with a single y, right?
Yay.
And then
I'm gonna take my
return s, yeah?
house.
Return s. Okay, let's run this. Look, we have a button. Run this. Yeah? Run and submit. Let's run first. Look, we can see. Look, accepted your result and accepted. Okay, let's run it.
Yay!
You see? Success. Your code took 4 milliseconds. Yeah. Right? But
We
this.
did it.
But the thing is that this question. Can you listen to me, please?
Yes.
So these only works when the string consists of x and y. It doesn't work if you have some other characters like a, b, c, right? So and another disadvantage of this approach is that you're looking when we found a substring in the s, it took n time, right? So we need to find if a substring is in s normally n time, and then we need to replace it. So in the worst case, this will take n square cubic. n square.
Then how it will be so fast?
Okay, look. So let's try this.
4
Okay.
milliseconds.
Now let's say this is on. Yeah. Let's put a comment and then let's do this. Okay. So this is the first approach. So we can check if the previous character. So for example, like look, it's x y to y. Okay. So we go through each character. So if it's x, we keep it, right? The second x, we skip it, right? Because it equals the previous one. And the third character, we skip it, right? Am I right? Does it make sense? And then y, should we keep it? Keep it. And the second y, should we keep it?
No.
Okay, so then based on this, we can do this. So first of all, we can put the answer into a list, yeah? We keep the answer in the list. And then for I, let's say for C in S, we go through each character. If they are nothing, if it's the first character, yeah? Or what? If the current character is not equals to what? The previous character. How do we? What the previous character in the answer? So this answer what? -1, right? And then what do we need to do? Answer the append what? C, right? This is the character. And then what should we do? We should join the answer, yeah. Let's try this to see if it works. Let's run it, okay? You see? It works, yeah? Okay? Look, Okay, if we print the answer at this point, it's a list, yeah? If we print the answer, and we can see, if we run it, look, you see this, your result, your printed y, x, y, x. This is a list, and we need to join. Remember, we can join, put it in a string. So we run it, it works, right?
That's
Yeah?
so slow.
A little bit slow, yeah, but okay. Yeah, so but in theory, this is on time.
Theory.
In theory,
I
this is
need theory.
okay, on time, right? On time. Does it make sense? Look,
Why
we go
does
through.
it say it only took 14 milliseconds?
Man, it's
One did 4 milliseconds.
like we can run it again. Okay, you see? So it's always vary. The performance is vary. But the most important thing is we keep the results in the answer and we go through each character in the S. If this answer equals 0, what does it mean? It means that this is the first character we need to put. Yeah. Or if the current character is not equals to the last character we have, right? It means that because if it's equal, it means that there's a consecutive characters, right? Now we append this character into the answer, right? Okay. Okay, and do you still remember the group by function we talked about a few while ago? Group by. We can use the group by function as well. So how do we use it? So look, we can say, okay, array. Let's say array equals
Blah blah.
what? X
Blah blah.
for x in group by, or maybe xy. Let's say xy in it. I think it's in eta tool, right? Eta tools dot group by. I can't. Eta tool, maybe eta tools dot group by. I show you, and then let's print up. Okay, let's print this first to see if it works. Okay. Look. Yeah, because I haven't returned anything. Look, you put your result is down. Look, I printed yx, right? So now ARR. Look, if I print it, let's print it this one. If I print it x and y as a tuple, right? In the eta tool group by, and you see, what does it return? It will return the y. Yeah, I haven't changed any code. Look, y is the unique key, and then this iterator, this is actually an iterator to the group. Okay, so
why you doing wrong answer?
so we can put a list here. Look, we can put this here to see what it is. Okay. Look, y. Can you look at the result? Look, this is y. So the input is y, x, y, x. Then, and now we group it. Look, we use the x, y in eta tools. Group by x. Now, when this happens, it has two. X is the key, so it means y, and then it points to y, or x points to its group, right? Look, y, and it has the group, and x, it has two. So look, so we only need to return the first one, which is x is the key. We only need that one, and then we can do what? The same, join, right? Yeah, if we run this, yeah. 6 milliseconds. Yeah, got it? And then we can. Look, we can just do it one liner. Look, we can repeat. Remove the second one, right? Join. Yeah, we can remove this, and that will be a one liner, right? Repeat the one liner. Okay. So you see, 6 milliseconds, and so this time complexity is still on. Space is O1 as well. Okay, space is O1. But this one space, what's the space? For the second approach, what's the space for this one? Do we use any space in this diagram?
No.
You sure? What's this?
Yes.
So over. Alright.
Yeah.
Do we use any space here? Probably no, yeah.
No.
But we are modifying the original string because look, we are replacing this substring. This is the replacing.
Only 4 milliseconds.
Everybody, can you pay attention to what I'm talking? Okay. So look, O string. This is what's replace. What's the first parameter of the replace?
X.
O string, and then that's the new string to replace. Okay. Got it? So look, if I do this, if I can do this. Look, replace function. Can you tell me what's the result? Print. If I do Eric, Ryan, dot replace Eric with Daddy, and then dot replace Ryan with Mommy. So can you tell me what's the result will be?
Daddy, dad, mom.
Dad mom, yeah? Let's do it. Let's run this to see. Dad mom, okay? Because I said I want to replace Eric here in the original screen with Daddy, and then I want to replace Ryan with Mommy. Okay, that's what it is here. So look, I want to replace XX with X, and then I want to keep doing this when we found the XX. I'll keep doing this when we found YY to replace YY with Y, right? That's what it is, okay? And the second approach, yeah? We go through each character, YYX. As long as it's not equal to the previous one, we push it to the desired character array, this, then later we join it. And the third one is the one liner, we use the iterative group by, because it already does the job, and we just need to join it and put in it. Okay? That's it. Say bye-bye to people. Bye-bye.
Wait.
Okay,
I'm
bye-bye.
gonna take that off the bottom.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.